Well, welcome back to, no, not Martin's cabin. We're in Martin and Vonnie's yard. And I thought this would be a good segue into, we're going to start a new channel which can be concentrated around Vonnie's kitchen and our home. We're going to call it Vonnie's Kitchen, but it's going to have a lot more in it than just Vonnie's Kitchen. We're going to include our yard, some of our goings on here in Illinois. Now here, you think this is my white cedar trees at the cabin, but no, these are red cedar in our yard. Now as we expand it out, you'll see that this is one of our little hosta beds that looks so nice in times of the year. This is one of our hosta beds where I filmed some things before. Some of the scenes that I want to show are things like this. In the summertime, we have deer around, and this was a few years ago. We had a little fawn, and we called it Denise. And that was until they started growing little horns, and then we had to call it Dennis. But it lived around our yard here all one summer, but there's a lot of scenes like that, and we have a lot of scenes of the flower beds at different times of year, and the birds in our yard.
Making it wide enough so I can get in there and really get it at the back.
Yeah. Remember how we had a little hole to let our breath go out the top?
Yeah.
With our quincy?
Yeah.
They have here, up through the sticks, you can tell when a beaver house has beavers in it. Yeah. Because on top there'll be a frosty spot where the moisture's coming up.
Really?
Yeah.
That's cool.
That means there's animals down in there.
Aw, that looks like... Hey, Vonnie, come here!
As part of our new channel, one thing that I do a lot in Illinois, is, especially in the fall, I spend a lot of time out deer hunting. Mostly consists of coming up to a tree like this that I've installed. I got a tree stand up there, about 15 feet in the air, so nothing really sees me move. And I spend a lot of hours up there just observing and having a good time. I hope to share some of that. There will be no killing, but I just hope to show some of the advantages of the time that a hunter spends in the tree stand. I get a lot of questions. People wonder if I deer hunt up at the cabin. I did it one time back in the late 80s and the 90s, but I have excellent hunting properties that I could hunt on here in Illinois. I have permission. Such as this place right here. If you're a deer hunter, you can see how nice this is. It's been in the CRP programs for 30 years. Kind of hilly country, ravines, brushy fence lines. This particular stand is one of many, but swing around and it sits up a little field here and then a nice oak woods.